Hello little artist. Today we are going to draw and color P, Q and R. Let's start the letter P. P is for pineapple. Say with me kids. P is for pineapple. Wow, our letter P is ready. Now let's draw the letter Q. Q is for queen. Say with me kids. Q is for queen. Great job kids. This is letter Q. Now it's time to draw letter R. R is for rocket. Say with me kids. R is for rocket. Amazing! Our letter R is ready. Now let's draw a pineapple. First I will draw an oval shape for the body. Now let's draw the leaves on top. Now I'm adding some lines to make a pattern. P is for pineapple. Say with me kids. P is for pineapple. Wow! Our pineapple drawing is ready. Now I'm going to draw a small cute queen. First I will draw her face. Q is for queen. Say with me kids. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. Now I will draw a pretty crown on her head. Next, I am drawing her soft, lovely hairs. Wow, her hair looks so nice and smooth. Let's add her small beautiful eyes. Now I'm drawing her small nose and a sweet smile. Great! Her face looks so cute. Now let's draw her beautiful frock. I'm making a big fancy dress for the queen. Q is for queen. Say with me kids. Q is for queen. Wow, our queen looks so beautiful. Now I'm going to draw a rocket. First, I will draw a long oval shape for the rocket body. R is for rocket. Say with me, kids. R is for rocket. Now I'm making the pointy top of the rocket. Now I'm drawing fire flames at the bottom. Now I'm adding the side wings. Next, I will draw the small window in the middle. Wow, the rocket looks ready to fly. Now I am going to color the letter P. I am using a bright red color. Let's start coloring slowly and neatly. I am filling the letter P carefully. Stay inside the lines. Color slowly and neatly. Great job, kids! You are doing a great job. Red is a very bright and strong color. Great job! The red P is ready. Now let's color the letter Q. I'm using a bright green color. Stay inside the lines. Color slowly and neatly. Now let's color the letter R. Now I'm using sky blue color. Stay inside the lines. Color slowly and neatly. Great job, kids. You are doing a great job. Wow, our R looks so beautiful. Now let's color the pineapple. I'm coloring the leaves green. Now I will use color the body orange. Stay inside the lines. Color slowly and neatly. P is for pineapple. Say with me, kids. P is for pineapple. P is for pineapple. Pineapple helps us stay strong and active. They grow in warm places. Our pineapple is ready. It looks so yummy. Kids, do you like pineapple? Now I'm going to color my cute queen. Let's start with the crown. I'm using a yellow color for the crown. Now I will color her hair. I'm using a brown color. Stay inside the lines. Color slowly and neatly. Q is for Queen. Say with me, kids. Q is for Queen. Now I'm coloring her face. I'm using a skin tone color. Let's color gently and neatly. Wow, her face looks so cute and pretty. Now it's time to color her dress. I'm choosing a bright and lovely color for her dress. Let's fill the dress carefully. Stay inside the lines. Q is for Queen. Say with me, kids. Q is for Queen. Q is for Queen. Great job! I love this cute queen. Now I'm going to color my rocket. First I'm coloring the top part red. R is for rocket. Say with me, kids. R is for rocket. Now I will color the window blue. Now I'm coloring the wings. I'm using red, orange and yellow color for the flames. Wow, the fire looks so hot and powerful. It is ready to fly high in the sky. Little kids, I hope you like this video. P is for pineapple. Q is for queen. R is for rocket. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun videos. Share this video with your friends too.